All right. I see in the news that Thanksgiving today is Thanksgiving Day, November 23, 2023, around 2:21 p.m., 2:22 p.m. And I always see in the news that it's gonna be heavy traffic. But when I check the app, the maps, it looks like it's not traffic. Maybe tomorrow will be traffic Black Friday, but today I don't think so. And you're gonna find out. Right then, I gotta go to work. It's pretty quiet.
What if there was a carrier that wasn't just another phone company?
All right, we're entering the freeway. Thanksgiving Day. Not too traffic. I mean, we're moving. We're moving flawlessly. Maybe on Friday it's gonna be traffic, but I'm off on that day. Alright, I know the clip is, I don't know if I'm recording right. Yeah, I'm recording right now probably. The clip is only 1 minute. I'm doing a manual recording. And yeah, this is Thanksgiving Day right now at 2:30 p.m. Traffic's not so bad. But on the news, on the TV news, they're saying that it'll be the worst traffic, the most heavy traffic. But so far, I'm not seeing that today. Right now, I'm not seeing it. Maybe later today. I think it's gonna be traffic on Friday, Black Friday. Because people are going crazy to do the Black Friday shopping. I don't know if the camera can see it over there in front of me. The motorcycle, the guy in motorcycle is standing on his motorcycle. Maybe he's feeling tired. His legs is cramping maybe. Now he's back sitting down. Man, it feels so dry. Alright, turn on the radio again. nearing my exit over here. I'm gonna change lane over here. I'm nearing my exit, and it was pretty smooth for Thanksgiving. You know, it's not traffic at all. I mean, there's lots of car, but it's not traffic. Usually it takes me around 30 to 35 minutes to travel from here, from my house, from my house to where I work. But right now it's pretty fast. And that's 30-35 minutes without traffic. But with traffic it's longer. Alright, this is the W43 sign, video number 2, where I'm getting a lot of views, a lot of haters. Alright, here we go. Same way every day. It's kind of smooth. It's smooth right now, really smooth. Thanksgiving Day pretty quiet. I need to fix my driving seat. Yesterday it was perfect, but now feels like I'm too close.